everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through 10 key reasons to use Wrike for effective project management. Now, why is Wrike an effective tool for project management? We're going to look at 10 reasons. Reason 1, comprehensive task management. You see, Wrike provides a central hub for creating, assigning and tracking tasks. You see, you can break down projects into smaller, manageable tasks, set due dates, assign responsibilities, and monitor progress in real time if you use Wrike. Second reason is flexible workflow. Wrike offers customizable workflows to adjust or adapt to your team's specific processes and methodologies. You can create custom fields, statuses, and workflows to suit your unique needs. The third reason is enhanced collaboration. You see, Wrike facilitates seamless communication and collaboration among team members, which means you can leave comments on tasks using the ad-mentioned colleagues, share files, and hold online meetings within the platform. Number 4 reason is visual project planning. Wrike provides various visual tools to help you plan and track projects effectively, like Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and interactive timelines that offer different perspectives to visualize project progress and dependencies. Number 5, time tracking and reporting. Wrike time tracking features allow you to monitor time spent on tasks and generate detailed reports on project progress, resource allocation, and team productivity. The 6th key reason for using Wrike for project management is resource management. Wrike helps you manage your team's workload and capacity effectively. You can allocate resources to tasks, track their availability, and prevent over-allocation. Then the 7th reason for using Wrike is advanced automation. You see, Wrike offers powerful automation capabilities to help you streamline repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. You can automate workflows, notifications, and other processes to save time and reduce manual effort. The 8th reason or key reason for using Wrike is integration capabilities. Wrike integrates with a wide range of third-party tools, including Google Drive, Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Salesforce to enhance your workflow and connectivity. Next reason for using Wrike is strong security measures. Wrike prioritizes data security with robust measures such as encryption, access controls, and regular security audits to help protect your sensitive information. And the 10th, which is not the least, but the 10th reason, we have other reasons, but I just compile this 10 for us for today. Now, it's excellent customer support. You see, Wrike provides comprehensive customer support resources, including tutorials, webinars, and a dedicated help center to assist you in using the platform effectively. As you can see, if you leverage these features and functionalities, Wrike can significantly enhance your team's project management capabilities, improve collaboration, increase productivity, and ultimately drive project success. These are the 10 main or key reasons to use Wrike for effective project management. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.